Hey guys, it's Teacher Alexis again with Learning with Teacher Alexis. So we say goodbye to Monday, and today is Tuesday. And guess what? The month is still April, and it's still 2020. Yesterday was number 20, so that makes today number 21. If you said that, amazing. Let's start with the hello song, and then we will go into our calendar song and the weather, and we'll review yesterday's experiment, and then I'm going to teach you something new. Whoop, whoop. So here we go. Warm up your hands. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? How are you today? Are you good? Hopefully. I'm doing all right. My morning started off a little bit rocky. I was a little bit clumsy today. I woke up, I went to blow dry my hair, I dropped the blow dryer on my foot. I said, ouch. I hurt my fingers, I have a band-aid on it. It was just one of those mornings, but my day got better as the day went on. So, let's sing the calendar song. And it's going to be a different one than usual. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And you saw that there's 7. This is our day number 2 of our learning week. And if you wanted to say it, it is not the first day, it is the second day of the learning week. And that means it's Tuesday. All right. So, let's see what the weather is over there where you live. Are you ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? Go look outside. Go look outside. Tell us what the weather is. Tell us what the weather is. Go look outside. What is it? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it warm? Those are all things that you feel when you go outside. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining? Those are all things you can see, right? So, moving on. Yesterday we did an experiment with 3 different glasses. We had a tall glass, and we had a smaller glass, and then we had our third glass, which I used to fill up those 2 glasses I just showed you, right? This was called the constant. Always filled the water into glass 1 with the same amount, boop, and glass 2, same amount, boop. So this is called a constant, okay? So, what did you guys figure out? Did you get more water in the big glass and less water in the small glass? Well, if we all did it correctly, it would look like there would be more water in this tall glass than this glass. But the funny thing is, they each had the same amount of water in them. The only difference is this. This glass here that I used is taller. It goes from top to bottom, and it's taller. As you can see next to each other, it's bigger, right? Well, this glass is also thinner. It's not as wide. This glass is shorter, right? But it is wider. So width is this, from one side to the other. So that's why it seemed like this was less then this one. So that was the whole experiment. Hopefully you guys enjoyed doing that one. Today, we're going to talk about something that I love. It is called money. Show me the money. So, there's bills, right? And they are what shape? They are rectangles, right? They have one short side, one long side, another short side, and another long side. So it's 4 sides, 2 small and 2 long. So this is a dollar bill. The reason I know this is worth $1 because in the corner here it says the number 1. All right? If you ever look at the corners, that's how much it will tell you it is worth. And each bill has a different president on it. So I will show you that this is a dollar bill. Let me go into my wallet and get me another bill out. Boop. It is still a rectangle with 2 short sides and 2 long sides. But guess what? Look in the corner. What number is that? Oh, 5. So that's a $5 bill. They both are the same shape, but remember I told you they have 2 different people on them. And that's how bills are made. If I showed you another one, do you want to see another one? I'll show you another one. So we have a $1 bill and a $5 bill. Here we go. And this one is a rectangle again. You see it? And there's 2 numbers up there. There's 2 digits. It's a 2 and a 0. It comes after number 19. It is number 20. This is a $20 bill. And look at it, has a different person on it again. See? They're all the same shapes, but they're all different people. Do they all look the same? Nope. So, those are bills. But in money, there's also coins. So, let's talk about coins. The basic coins is, shall we start at smallest? Let's start at smallest. Is this one. It is called a penny. It is 1 cent, not $1, 1 cent. And this one's a little bit copper, brownish, right? And there's a person on it. And each coin has a different person on it too. So we have the penny, that's the smallest. The next smallest is the nickel. And this is silver, and this is worth 5 cents. Not $5, 5 cents. Then, the next one is the dime. And it is a silver one too. And it's a little bit small, which is funny, but it's big. It's worth more than the nickel, even though it's smaller. This dime is worth 10 cents. Not $10, 10 cents. All right, and the 4th coin, which is a lot of your favorite coins because you put them into gumball machines or those little toy machines at the bowling alley and you turn it, or video games, those kind of things. And it is the quarter, and it's one of the bigger coins, and it doesn't have the same kind of person as the other ones, and it's silver. So, those are the coins. So I have a question. If this is $1, how many coins does it take to make $1? Well, the easiest way would be to make it out of 4. What is this coin called? 4 quarters. 4 quarters makes $1. And if you wanted to go with a dime, how many dimes does it take to make $1? It takes 10, your two hands, 10 dimes to make a dollar. And something was in my eyeball, I think. I don't know what it was, but it's out now. I can see you. Nickels, it takes a whole lot of nickels to make a dollar, and it takes a whole lot of pennies to make a dollar. And if you want to see how many pennies it takes, get 100 pennies, and that would be $1. Deal? Deal. But what we're going to do right now is a sound game with money. So, we all saw that they were different size. What shapes are these? Circles. You're right. They're all different sizes. They're not the same size. Right? And so, I have 2 eggs. I have my green egg, and I have my yellow egg. And I'm going to ask you, what do you think is in each egg? There are coins in there. The same coin in one egg and a different coin in the other egg. So there's one kind of coin in this green egg. And there's one kind of coin in this yellow egg. So I'm going to shake it. What coin do you think that could be? We will see in a second. All right, here's the yellow egg. Did they sound different? I think they sounded different. Let's try one more time. That's the green, here's the yellow. All right, so are you ready to see which was which? So, in the green egg, I put $1, 2 dimes, 3 dimes, and 4. In the yellow one, which I think sounded not as, it kind of sounded heavy to me. That's what it sounded like. But you could describe it however you want. And I put 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4. So each one had 4 in it. 4 dimes, 4 quarters. What was the difference in the sound? Only you know what the difference is, because I can hear something differently than you can hear it. And so you just have to use your words how to describe it, and you can't be wrong. Isn't that so cool? Let's try one more time. So we did quarters and dimes. So we have our pennies. 1, 2, 3, and 4 going into, I'm gonna mix it up on you guys. You might think it's in the yellow, but it might not be in the yellow. So I did 4 pennies. And my last coin that we have not done is, the nickel. All right, so it's the penny versus the nickel. What one do you think is going to be louder? The egg with pennies or the egg with nickels? Only you know. All right, I'm going to do my green egg first. Here it is. And my yellow egg. What one sounded louder, green or yellow? What coin do you think is in the green one? What coin do you think's in the yellow one? Do you want to see? Or do you want to hear again? Let's hear one more time. Yellow and green. Okay, and the reveal is about to happen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The green egg had 4 pennies in it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the yellow one had 4 nickels in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what one sounded louder? What one sounded like it was moving faster? Those are all ways you could describe it. What one sounded like it was heavier? What one sounded like it was lighter? So that's a fun way to do money. But let me tell you something. First off, bills are rectangles, coins are circles. Bills have different amounts, and you can tell in the corner by the number, or you could tell by the person on it. Coins are different amounts, and you can also tell by the person on it. As you can see, they have different people. But if you're playing with money, you need to make sure that you wash your hands right after, because money goes through a lot of people's hands. If you go to the store, someone paid with their money, they put it in the cash register, you get some money back, and you don't know where that person before you had their money or where they got it. So there could be germs on it. So make sure if you're playing with money that you wash your hands really well for 20 seconds, just like we need to do anyways. And if you have a hard time washing your hands for 20 seconds, because counting to 20 seconds is not like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is not 20 seconds. 20 seconds, you can sing happy birthday to everyone born on Tuesday the 21st. Happy birthday to everybody born on Tuesday the 21st. Happy birthday to these people. Happy birthday to them. And that would be 20 seconds. So that is a great way to do it. So if you play with money, wash your hands. And remember, if you get money, put it in your piggy bank. Save it for a rainy day. But it's been fun seeing you guys today, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. So let's sing goodbye, and here we go. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. It was so nice to see you. I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great one.